First check-in since vacation. I've only had 1 day of eating back at maintenance. Let's see how things are looking. I hit the scale after dropping the Browns off at the Super Bowl, and I'm coming in almost 5 pounds lighter than I was just yesterday. I had a lot of fun letting loose on vacation, but just because I had 1 day at maintenance and my glycogen and water stores have started to deplete, it doesn't mean I'm out of the woods yet. Even though the scale has dropped down significantly, a lot of those extra calories can still be converted into excess fat if I'm not careful. So we're starting the day right with my morning supplements and the good old frozen swamp water. For breakfast, I had some lean ground beef with basmati rice and 2 whole eggs. And I wrapped up some of it in a low-carb tortilla for a little bit of fiber. Next up is the massive mug of coffee. And then we're right into my leg day, starting with the high bar back squat. Next up, we got the Romanian deadlifts to tear up my hamstrings and glutes. Finishing things off with some booty bridges for them booty cheeks. I normally do calf raises after these, but I just didn't have enough time today, so I'll be doing those tomorrow along with some core work. Then for dinner, I made myself a big vegetable stir fry and mixed in some of my leftover chicken fajitas. Then I made myself a high-fat cinnamon yogurt bowl with chia seeds, almond butter, strawberries, blueberries, and chopped up almonds. I'll be saving this for later on at work. But before leaving, I decided to have a grapefruit for some extra carbs. It can kind of be tricky to track fruits like this where you gotta take into account the skin and everything else, but the easiest way I've found is to just put everything on the scale before you turn it on, and then eat what you want, put the peels back on, and it'll show you exactly how much you ate in the negative amount. Or you can just weigh the whole grapefruit beforehand, eat everything, and then weigh what is left over. I forgot to record it, but I had a couple of these Waterloos while I was at work. Then to top off my protein and carbs, I had a Quest bar and some dates. Ending the night with my zinc gummies and copper pill. I got a little over 14,000 steps for the day, and ending everything out in just a very slight deficit. But that's gonna do it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.